my journey to 5K a month as a single mom. How do I plan to do it? What are going to be some of the obstacles, and what you're going to see throughout the process. Let's get into it. How do I plan to reach my goal of 5K a month? Well, I have 3 ways that I'm going to use to, 3 things I'm going to do to try to achieve that goal. For starters, I am going to be selling my jewelry that I make. I clean and process roadkill, and then I turn it into jewelry. And so I create like a bunch of oddities jewelry, and then I also do photography, oddity style photography, and I sell prints of those as well through my shops. And I'm going to try to get monetized on YouTube and through affiliate links. And through those 3 things, I am hoping to achieve 5K a month. Why would I want to make 5K a month, you might ask? For financial freedom. I am a single mom, and I would love to spend more time with my kids. And so I would like to create like some streams of passive income. And so I get that time. And also I want to build a homestead. So those are my main factors of why I want to achieve 5K a month. So what will you be seeing on this journey? You'll be seeing all of my ups and all of my downs. I'm going to show it all. And I'm anticipating it will be a long journey for me. So if you're interested in that, I'd love for you to stick around, subscribe. This is going to be a whole series. I'm not going to stop until I reach my goal. So I don't know how long that will take, but that's what I'm setting out to do. So what are some obstacles that I might face on this journey? I'm going to be looking at my references. If you see me look down, that's why. We are low income, single parent family, which is an already busy life. So growth is going to be slow. I have ADHD, CPTSD, and I also suspect autism. So it might slow me down also because I really struggle with executive function. And so that will be something of challenge for me. My trauma around money, growing up poor, feeling like I'm not worthy of money or learning to manage it while using my money, learning to manage my money and how to make my money make me more money. So that will be something I have to work through, and I am prepared for this to be a slow journey. Like I keep saying, I'm a broken record, I'm sorry. So what are some of the ways that I can stay motivated while I'm on this journey that we are anticipating it being a slow journey? Creating schedules, which is my kryptonite. Creating schedules. I'm going to work on creating schedules. I noticed that whenever I do create a schedule the day before or even a week prior, if it's already set and I don't have to think about it, it's a lot easier for me to follow. And since I am working for myself, and I'm not on anyone else's schedule, I'm on my own, that will be something I have to do to stay motivated and to stay on task. Self-care to create balance. I can laser in on things and burn myself out, so I will have to continue to balance taking care of myself, working on business, children, all the stuff, balancing that. So keeping some self-care in there will create a balance that I need to stay motivated. Keep learning from resources about finances and learning about passive income streams and different ways to create money streams. So that's going to be a motivator, just staying staying in that area where I'm learning. Motivator. Also hearing other people's stories about success. Motivator. And then also just not forgetting to breathe and take it all one day at a time, because this is a slow journey. I can't focus on the bigger picture. If I focus on the bigger picture, it seems so overwhelming to me. So just focus on the day to day, and that is going to be a practice that I'm implementing, and it will be a motivator if I just focus on the tasks and checking off the things of the day. As long as I'm moving forward, if it's slow, that's fine. I'm still moving forward. And so these are the ways that I plan to reach 5K a month. And if you're interested in this journey, I'd love it if you would stick around and follow. I'll be posting one day a week about my journey to 5K. And then I will be posting probably one other video a week on different topics that are in my realm of interest, like parenting and surviving narcissistic abuse, and then, just some about my business and what I'm doing in my business. Maybe even some of the behind the scenes of the business would be interesting for me. If it's interesting for you, please comment below, let me know. And thank you so much if you watched this video till the end. It means a lot, and I'm excited and anxious and nervous about this journey, but I am committed to it. I have to be, because I cannot survive in the world working for someone else. My brain doesn't work that way, and I have to provide for my family, so I'm going to do it. And this isn't going to be easy, and I'm prepared. And I hope that this content will help someone else be, more motivated to do the same. That you can be poor, you can be single, you can have kids, and you can still achieve great things. You just have to set your mind to it. All right, until next time, thank you. It's good stuff.